Hi and welcome to a new video. My name is Christina and today we are doing room tour as I have promised in my last video. So let's get into it. Right now we are in my coming in area. This is my door. I have like my two ropes up here, so don't mind that. And on this side I have my mirror. Maybe if you have seen some of my other videos, you will notice that it's another mirror than I had before. The other one was silver and I don't like silver. Like, if you really know me, you know I love gold. So I'm really glad I have this one now because I swapped it with my family because they had this one and they got my silver mirror. I got this for like 100 euros from Mirmax. I'm pretty sure you can only get that in Germany, so I'm sorry. Here on this side we have my wardrobe and it's really big. It's like probably double the size of me, but it's really big, I think. What you call it. And if you want to see how I organize it, there will be a video coming up soon because I have been living here for I think 5 months now and I bought a lot of stuff and it's a lot smaller space than I actually had in my flat, so it was a little bit of a struggle, but we will get it organized and I will film it and I will upload it as well, so if you're interested. Okay, so moving on, we're right now on my bed. I really love it because it's gold and it's from made.uk. It's the Alana bed in 140 centimeters, so I'm pretty sure you can get it in all of Europe. I'm not sure about the US, and I really love it, and I have built it up and taken it apart 3 times now and it still works. It is good. A good bed and it looks pretty. I think that's like the most important part. Moving on. So this is my desk. I got it as well from made.uk and I really love it because it's like this massive wood, and also have like this thing but I never use it, and also like it were here and you can open this part, but or I'll show you. You can open it up like this and then you can store your pencils and stuff there, so it's really handy and I think it looks really pretty, which is like a major factor obviously. And then here I have like these 2 nightstands put on top of each other because ever since I moved back from my flat to my parents, I had kind of more stuff than before and I really needed extra space, so I have them now and I store like my uni stuff or like other paperwork and a couple of books and like stuff like that in there, and it's really helpful. It isn't pretty, I wouldn't have chosen them, but we had them and I needed space and they would have been thrown out, so I said like, okay, let's take them here, because my move here was actually like temporary. It was planned for me to stay here for about 2 to 3 months, I think. Yeah, May, June, and in July I would have left, so like 2.5 months. And now we have November and I'm still here and I'm actually staying. But if you want to know more about that, you can stay until the end of the video because there will be a real talk coming. But moving on. So right now we're opposite of my how is it called? My table. We're on the other side of the table, and I have this gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I have no idea how it's called in English. I think is it a drawer? I don't know. But it's like super, super pretty, and I saved it from being thrown out because my ex-boyfriend's mother wanted to throw it out, and I said like, no, we're taking it. So we got it for the flat, and I loved it, and I got to keep it, so I really, really love it, and I'm really happy about it, and I will forever keep it because it's so pretty. And my mom actually also tried to steal it from me, and I was like, no, it's mine. So yeah, I'm really happy about this one. And basically that was already it with the room tour, because my room is so tiny. Wait, let me. Okay, so now we're back on my bed. Actually I have the smallest room in the house, because when we moved to the house I already knew I'm going to move as soon as I turn 18, and I actually also moved when I was 18.5 years old. So my sister got like the biggest room. She has also a walk-in closet, which I really wish I had one as well, but it's okay because she will live here for a couple more years, and I will leave next year for sure. And yeah, so why am I back here? Yeah, so basically I study international business management, and I have to go on a semester abroad, and it was scheduled for my 5th semester, which is like right now. And as you can tell, I'm not abroad, I'm like at my parents' place, because my semester abroad got cancelled due to the world circumstances, which was really, really bad, and I was really sad because I was going to Mexico and it didn't work out, and I talked with the uni and they agreed on switching my internship with my semester abroad. So right now I'm doing my internship, and in February I would have gone to Mexico, but that got kind of cancelled as well. I mean, right now they didn't really cancel it, but they changed the campus I would have needed to go to, and also it probably would have been like, not probably, it would have been online classes, and they offer online classes anyway. So my plan right now is to just take those online classes and to stay here in Germany rather than to go to Mexico, which really, really hurts because I really wanted to go. But when I was younger, my high school year abroad in the US didn't work out as well, so it's like basically the 3rd time I'm not able to go abroad, not due to my wanting to, but it's okay, it's okay. I'm going to do my master's abroad, so we're okay. It was planned for me to stay 2.5 months. Obviously it got cancelled, and then right now I'm doing my internship, which I do from home office as well. So I also decided to stay until February at home, and right now it's November and I know I will stay longer, but there is no point in moving out, I think, because I don't know where I'm going to do my master's. I want to do it abroad, either in Moscow or Barcelona, and yeah, so moving out and then moving again, I would rather right now save the money on the rent. And yeah, I also did my driver's license, which is really exciting. So right now I'm looking for a car, my first own car, which is really exciting. And yeah, and also like, it's really weird not living on my own. It would be 1 year in total that I have lived here again, and I think it's really nice because like my little brother, he just turned 5. He didn't really remember me, and he didn't see me as his sister because we didn't see each other when I moved out, and obviously he was really young then, and he just doesn't remember that I looked after him for so much. And I'm really happy that like we're bonding, and also with my sister, so that's really nice. But if I would have known that I would live with my parents for a year, I probably wouldn't have done it. I probably would have searched for another apartment, because the one I was living at was too expensive for myself. And I'm really glad that right now I have the opportunity to really save my money and to, how do you say that, like to reload my savings account. Yeah, let me know down below in the comments how to properly say that. And I'm really happy that I have the possibility to live with my parents, because I have lost my job in March due to the pandemic, and it wasn't really cool. I mean, I found another one which I could have started, but because I knew I was already moving because of my semester abroad, I didn't start it and decided to move 1 month earlier back to my parents' place, and so on. Yeah, basically that's that. Yeah, what else? I think that's it. Okay, now we get to the end of the video. So thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed it, please don't forget to subscribe and give me a like. And there will be other videos coming, like organizing my wardrobe or doing a minimalism challenge. So if you want to see it, subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!